So the first question, what does your company do?
Here at Olofsfors, we are a very old company. It's almost 260 years, and we work in perfecting steel. You could say we have two business areas. We work in forest tracks for forest machinery, and we work with wear steel for, say, mining, road maintenance, etc.
So which business area to transform have you focused on?
We have chosen to focus on the tracks for the forest machines, as there is the biggest chance of making an impact and where there is actually customer demand starting to show up in this area. So, and our thinking here is to formalize and to create a platform for recovery and recycling.
So how in practical terms have you been working with this transformation?
We have a team here, a project team, who has been working a lot with this, and obviously we are working in close cooperation with some of our suppliers, and of course the business coaches have helped us a lot.
What kind of support have you received from the business coaches?
Well, I think it's good to have people come in and ask the right questions, and sometimes even the stupid questions, to make you think a little bit more. And they also help us to structure and restructure our own thoughts into building an actual case.
Why transform the business model? I mean, how will that become an argument for sales? What's in it for the customer?
Well, I think it will be a necessity to change, because if you look around the world, all the big governments, the governing bodies, all the big companies, they have set the trend is clear, where we're going, what needs to be done. Whether you believe it in or not, it's really irrelevant. Either you're in or you're out. And I think to be first with this, it will be a great benefit. If you're first in your business, it will be a great benefit for you. If you're number 5, it will not give you anything, because then it's already expected from you. So I think that is the message, that we need to be the first ones. And it will also be great to know from the customer point of view that you are part of the solution and not the problem.